Some ways to talk about injuries with English Essentials with Verbatum.ca. When you are walking, you can stub your toe, trip and fall, slip and fall, skin your knee. When you're out in nature, you can get stung by a bee, a jellyfish, a scorpion, get bitten by a mosquito, a tick, a spider. Here are some things that can happen playing sports. If you break a bone, you might need a wheelchair, crutches, a splint, a cast. If you cut yourself, you may need stitches and you may have a scar. My leg really hurts.
Your leg is broken.
What happens now?
We'll put it in a cast.
But wait, how will I be able to move around?
You can use crutches.
Be careful out there. Verbatum.ca